Do you know what I think would be good? We actually walk here.
Okay.
The camera looks wonky as hell. Do you know why they might have a headache?
Under the camera.
So what's that temperature?
Dead.
Do you like 36.5?
Yeah.
Then. Oh wait, wrong place. Can you pop some fingers up? We just want to check that.
Didn't expect you to ask. Okay.
We won't do their toes because we don't like feet. I'm just gonna come under here. Let's just have the pink pen. The pink pen. Pink pen.
Oh, sorry.
That's orange, but the orange one's well, actually. Thank you. Sandwich.
Good cry.
Okay. Bit of a bruise. You got a bit of an egg.
If Dante got me an egg, then I'm like, excuse me.
I'll give you a little hug. Then
You didn't whack him on the head. I'd be a bit louder than that.
Oh,
Yeah. It's quite quiet.
okay. Next, please.
It's like a Tesco's cashier. Next, please. Not just next, please. It's like Primark next. I don't mean to just walk in. Is hello there. Hello there. Because in reality, though, to be fair, what doctors even call you in?
Just come in. Yeah, okay, hold on. Should I just ignore you? Should I just ignore you for like 30 seconds?
No, because I'll actually end up freaking laughing.
Okay. Hold on.
Do you want me to walk in?
Yeah, you just gonna walk in and sit down. You can't walk in and start laughing. Why did you
Maybe I need to be sat down, right? I'm just gonna sit down and start.
Okay. Oh, hello there.
It's like the apprentice with a turnaround. You're fired.
You're fired. Okay.
What are you actually writing?
I don't know. Briny balls. I don't know, I'm just typing.
Because I just see him sort of sleep. It's just spinny chair.
Oh, I know, I love it, I love it, I love it. Okay, ready? You okay there?
I'm just reading Briny balls.
Hello there.
Hello.
You okay?
Yeah. Okay.
I was going to say, what's your name? You okay? Okay. Oh my god, that was so close. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello. Oh no. What are you laughing at now?
I said hello, good afternoon.
So?
Is that the afternoon?
What?
Go, I've got it. Just confirm your name for me, please.
Bethan.
Thank you. And your date of birth?
Oh, I don't want to give a full date of birth now.
I realise now. Just give a fake one.
Okay.
Wait, go again. Because you were just looking at me like, don't ask me that.
Why did that make you laugh?
Because I just went... Does your t-shirt roll up?
No. It doesn't actually. You just do it over, it's fine.
And just take a deep breath in. Take a nice. You have to wait for me to say it again. So.
What, your belly?
Steph's gonna have to stay here so I can edit. I'll just do a little.
You're gonna tell me to cough?
Yeah, but just do a little one, don't do it too loud. Okay? Just do like a.
Okay. What was that?
No idea.
Oh, it's that outside.
Oh, I can't even move my head either. Hey. Alright. It's very noisy out there, isn't it?
Don't laugh.
Don't look at me. Oh, we're going back to the middle.
It's really slow. You're really slow, that's why.
You're like a dog. Ready? What is that? Sounds like a radio.
Is it? What is that? What is that?
Can you describe it for me?
Not really, just like lines. What can you say?
No, just tell me what you can see.
Okay.
Okay. So hold it still.
Mm-hmm. Your hands are freezing. You're like a proper doctor's hands.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you're fine.
You can't see that video.
Have you drunk lots of water today?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Okay.
Lies. Yeah.
Okay.
What? Is it because I'm lying?
And have you had plenty of water today?
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe drink.
Okay, I'll say no.